This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Delmarva Dental Services.
Well, you know, it's not just important for babies to get checkups. Really, we all need them. But so many of us put it off due to fear or time constraints. Fortunately, there are places like Delmarva Dental Services that aim to eliminate these roadblocks. Delmarva Life's Sean Stryker tells us about a few things they're doing to make your visit a breeze.
There's plenty of reasons why people go to the dentist. Everything from routine checkups to emergency visits. Unfortunately, there's also plenty of excuses on why people don't go.
And really the top three are time, fear, and money. And that's why here at Delmarva Dental Services, we try to reduce those roadblocks. In other words, we try to make it very accessible to come to the dentist.
Dr. Joseph Harmon says they do a couple of things at Delmarva Dental Services to take care of that first excuse of people not having enough time. First, they staff 5 dentists and 7 dental hygienists. They also stay open late on weekdays and have weekend hours.
So we have a whole lot of time available, so it's more convenient for the patient.
You can also fill out a lot of the required paperwork ahead of time online, so you're not wasting time sitting in the waiting room. One of the things you'll have to fill out is an anxiety questionnaire. This helps take care of that second excuse, fear.
Not only do we try to find out their level of anxiety, but we also try to find out exactly what they don't like about coming to the dentist.
So for instance, if you don't like the sound of a drill, you can put on some headphones and watch some TV. If that's not enough, there's always sedation.
We also have some oral sedation techniques. We have laughing gas, we have Valium or some kind of tranquilizer, we have sleeping pills, and we also have IV sedation for someone that's really apprehensive.
As for that third excuse, the financial issue, there's experts on hand to help get the most out of your insurance. But according to Dr. Harmon, the biggest thing that will get people going to the dentist is getting to see a nice, caring person.
The bottom line is the people that work here like people, and they're caring people. As long as someone knows that there's people that care about them, that's the key. That's the most important.
One of the newest members of the Delmarva Dental team is Dr. Lee Auchey.
Hi, I'm Dr. Auchey. Nice to meet you. We're going to be doing...
We were amazingly fortunate, and that not only did we get somebody that was from here, but we got somebody not right out of school, but we got somebody with 6 years experience.
Dr. Auchey specializes in both cosmetic and general dentistry. She says while it varies from patient to patient, a person should generally visit their dentist once every 6 months.
I think what people need to keep in mind is that we're actually evaluating a lot of things when you come into the dentist. Some people actually see their dentist more often than they see their healthcare provider if they do come every 6 months. So we may be able to follow up with them about their blood pressure or other medical conditions that they haven't followed up with otherwise. But we're also looking at cavities. We're looking at bone anomalies or pathology, things like that we can detect with our new x-rays. And we're also looking at your gum health, which plays a huge role in your heart health and diabetes and some other medical conditions.
While you're there, expect things like x-rays and be prepared to answer questions about your past dental habits. There will even be an oral exam to check for things like mouth cancer. And it's important to keep in mind that you need to be honest with your doctor to help build a good working relationship.
I just think it's very important for people to keep in mind that your dentist really, you need to have a good relationship with them. You need to feel comfortable with who you're seeing, and I think that at our office we are able to offer that as long as you do help us in helping you.
Now, another thing that Delmarva Dental is doing to help with that financial issue is offering $100 off an initial comprehensive exam and x-rays to new patients.
Every little bit helps.
Every little bit.